Welcome back to our budget-friendly staging tips series, and in this final video we are going to talk about furniture. Alright, furniture time. This is controversial. Just want to take a deep breath here before we get into this. Alright, this is a safe space. I know, I think I can be honest with you, right? Okay. So here's the thing about furniture. You have it in your home for your comfort. It suits your needs. It makes you feel great when you're inside your house. That may not necessarily translate when, for all intents and purposes, a stranger, i.e. the buyer, comes into the home and is looking at it, assessing it to see if they can make it their own. See, what we gotta remember is that buyers are coming into your house looking for reasons not to buy. And sectional couches, coffee tables, all these types of furniture pieces, while they may really suit your needs and make you and your family feel comfortable, well, they may not offer the kind of flow that makes the buyer feel comfortable, and we want that buyer to feel comfortable. And they may not allow for ease of movement throughout the property. So here's what we got to do. To save money, we only keep the pieces of furniture that make the room look and feel, what's that word? Inviting and flowing properly. So we may take some of that furniture when my team walks through, we may take some of that furniture and we may rearrange it. We may put some of it in storage. And depending on what it is, we may ask you what your plans are for it, because a lot of people have sales when they get ready to move. So if you know that you are about to put your house on the market, when you hire us, the house is going to sell. So we might as well just get right to it and get to selling some furniture and make you some extra money. That being said, we're going to create an environment where things are working really well for the buyers, but still allowing your family and your lifestyle to be the way that it should. Because every one of these rooms, they're coming in and they're assessing that space. So we will literally walk through it and make sure that we don't have to stumble and kind of, dip and slide around the corners and things. We want to be able to move through the rooms very smoothly. So as we walk into each room, we're going to adopt the mantra that less is more. It'll serve us well, I promise you.
Hello again, Cedric Stewart here. Hopefully you learned something from that last video. Over the years I've shared my real estate knowledge on all of these news outlets, along with many others. Like and subscribe to this channel for more digestible bites of information, and call, text, or email us when it's time for you to buy or sell your next home.